Whiteboard Paint Coverage Guide. How much do you really need? Why coverage matters. Avoid overbuying or underbuying whiteboard paint. Ensure smooth, even application for long-lasting whiteboard walls. How to measure your wall area. Step 1. Measure the height of your wall. Step 2. Measure the width of your wall. Step 3. Multiply height times width to get square feet. Example, 10 feet, height, times 12 feet, width, equals 120 square feet. Whiteboard Paint Coverage Table. Make use of the guide below to match your wall's height and width with the recommended kit. That way you'll know exactly how much paint you'll need for complete coverage. No wasted product, wasted money, or second guessing. Tips for choosing the right kit. Always round up to the next kit size for full coverage. Plan ahead for multiple walls or future expansion. Make sure your surfaces are smooth and primed for the best results. Ready to transform your walls? Measuring your walls before buying whiteboard paint not only ensures a smooth, professional finish, but also helps you save on costs. With our simple coverage table, you'll know exactly which kit fits your space. No guesswork required. Take the guesswork out of planning and get ready to bring your ideas to life on a whiteboard wall that works for you. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coating specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoating.com.